Hello mga peeps! Kamusta? Another day, another vlog. So today we're going to explore UAE again. So we're going to KhorFakkan, and KhorFakkan is part of Sharjah. So this road we're going to Masafi. It's a Friday market. It says Friday market because every Friday before it's a day off here in the UAE, and every people go to that market. A lot of carpets there, the not so expensive carpet, and you should try to go there. It's so nice there. Friday market, part of Masafi. And now we're going to a road of after Masafi, going to KhorFakkan. This is the first tunnel we passed by. It's a rough tunnel. It has 1.3 km. Yeah. Before from Ras Al Khaimah, you will pass 5 tunnels in the going to KhorFakkan. UAE is a very rich country that they can make tunnels in the mountain so as to make shortcuts road for going to a certain place. Well, that's so nice having this kind of tunnels. And now we're heading to a second tunnel called Al Jazeera Tunnel. It has 900 meters long. We will be passing the third tunnel, the Al Mustaqqa Tunnel, having 2.7 meters, the longest tunnel UAE created, going to KhorFakkan. I think this is the longest tunnel in UAE. By the way, Arabic for tunnel is Nafaq, so they were always saying Nafaq Al Mustaqqa or Nafaq Al Jazeera or Nafaq Al Raf. Nafaq, okay? Arabic for tunnel is Nafaq. I'm a bit scared in this tunnel because it's so long, and what if there's an earthquake? Oh my god, what to do, Yani? So we haven't finished yet. We still have the fourth tunnel, the Al Saqab Tunnel or Nafaq Al Saqab. It's only 1.3 kilometers. Not too scary. We are too much excited for these tunnels. A lot of tunnels. Still have one tunnel to pass by, and we're still not yet there. So good luck. From Ras Al Khaimah to KhorFakkan, it's around 1 hour and 20 minutes, I think. Depends on your speed. And now we're heading the fifth tunnel. It's the Al Saqab Tunnel. It's the shortest tunnel, I think, only 300 meters distance. So I think we're done with these tunnels. Too many tunnels to pass by. And finally, yes, I can see the KhorFakkan now, but we have to go through a bridge, and yes, we will turn to the left, and we're going inside KhorFakkan. So it's a little bit not still far going there, but inshallah we will reach there. And now we reach KhorFakkan Amphitheatre. It's just near KhorFakkan WaterFalls, the Amphitheatre. This time it's not yet done, but they're still constructing it. So we haven't gone inside there. We'll just go outside to make photos and videos and like that. It's not still working. It's still under construction inside, but the outside it's already finished, I think. That's why we just make videos and pictures outside. It's been my second time to come here, and from the first time it has a little improvement, but still they're still constructing the amphitheater, not yet finished. And after that, we went to KhorFakkan WaterFalls. It's by the way, it's a man-made waterfalls. It's not by nature, and it's located just on the road, just beside the road. After you will cross that road, it is the KhorFakkan beach already, just very near the beach, the KhorFakkan Corniche. If you want not too much crowded, you come here like in the morning, because when we came here, it's morning and there's just a few people there, and after like afternoon it will be a lot of people, and you cannot make this like this craziness like having videos and photos like that. At least you can enjoy in the morning without photo bombers. Yeah, so better you come here in the morning. So after that, we just cross the road and we reach the KhorFakkan Corniche or KhorFakkan beach. It's the same. So it's so nice here. It's like your home. It's like having sala in your home, in the beach. See how the ambience is so homey. Yeah, it's like you're in the house. KhorFakkan beach is nice, especially in winter, but in summer I think it's very, very hot here. Yeah, but in winter it will be great. It's so nice here to spend time with your families and friends and like that, having picnic and grill. You can grill also here. It's okay to grill, having a barbecue or like that. Enjoy with the beach. So there's a lot of nice views here, so bear with my craziness. Voila. I feel like I'm a kid this time. Playing with the water. So we're heading home now. We passed by again the waterfalls, and I think that's all for today. I hope you enjoy the video. Until then, babush kalabush. Mwah, mwah, mwah.